How to fix no sound in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to fix no sound in Google Chrome, first of all, launch or make a long press on Google Chrome. Then tap on App Info. It will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So first of all, clear the cache over here. And then as you do that, tap on the option of app permissions. Make sure that you have given access to microphone over here. So as you can see, it has not been allowed. So just tap on microphone and all the other necessary items over here. Now as you do that, you can now go back and just tap on the settings application on your device. And then scroll down to sounds and vibration and make sure that you have your volume adjusted for your media, ringtones and alarm to the maximum and your phone is not in silent or DND mode. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.